What is your name?
Ganesh Roshan.
Okay, your group number?
OMA 221.
Okay, auscultation of the heart, start.
Actually, this is a stethoscope and
Phonidoscope.
phonidoscope. This is diaphragm and this is the bell. Bell is used to listen the low pitch sound usually listened in children, and this is the diagram. It is used to listen in high pitches sound. It is usually used in adults.
Okay.
And
First point.
heart usually have five points to listen the sound.
Okay.
And the first point is aortic valve.
No.
Mitral
valve.
Mitral valve.
Where you standing?
It is standing in mid intercostal space at fifth.
Mid clavicular is
line at fifth intercostal space. Inside it is 1.5 centimeters.
Okay, find where?
Here.
You need find. Put first intercostal, second, third, fourth, 5, and the inside to 1.5.
It is 1.5.
Put phonidoscope. Don't afraid. Inhale, exhale, don't breathe.
Listen.
I don't understand what happened. Okay, next point. Listening, next point.
Next one is aortic valve. It is located at right side of the sternum at second intercostal space.
Please find.
This is sternum and this is.
We are putting our hand on the clavicular and this first intercostal space, and this is second. After we are go near the sternum, this place aortic valve we are listening. Put. Okay, listen please.
Yes, ma'am.
Listening. Okay, next point.
Next point is pulmonary valve. It is located at left side of the sternum at second intercostal space.
Okay, please find. Put. Okay, don't afraid. Put this on the clavicular, first intercostal space. After. And second intercostal. This second intercostal. Okay, go near the sternum. After. First intercostal, second. After we need go near the sternum. Put. You listening sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Next one is tricuspid valve.
Where?
It is located at it is located at fourth intercostal.
No.
Zygmoid process.
Xiphoid process.
Xiphoid
Also
process
sternum.
on sternum.
Okay, where sternum? Okay, palpation where completed or sternum. Okay, this. Put. Don't afraid. Put this. Okay. You listening sound? Okay. Lap dab.
Yes, ma'am.
Next point.
Last point is Erib's point.
Vodkina erba point.
Bokena Erpa
Where
point.
standing?
Third intercostal.
Which side?
Left side of this.
Okay, find. You need feeling. What is mean intercostal space? This is between ribs. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And now I am palpation. This is deep. First intercostal space. Under this half ribs. This is second and third. You know, palpation this
Yes,
deeps. And we are go this. Third. Inhale, exhale, don't breathe. Okay.